coffee run. Also cold start. There we go. Rumble, rumble. Cruising with my sleeves zipped down or zipped open. It's hot, guys. The sleeves like that are probably not safe, but it helps with the ventilation for sure. I'm gonna zip them up a little bit. Got a little bit too loose. Put more miles on the bike. We're at 373 miles right now. Just gonna ride over to get some coffee. We're trying to get to that 600 mile mark so we can do the oil change and be done and be able to fully explore the bike's RPM range. Okay, we're back to fully zipped. Wind feels good. Look at my fuel tank. It's almost my fuel range. I think I've gone through about a quarter of a tank and I'm only at 38 miles. Ooh, I'm gonna hit these brakes good here. So it's about a quarter of a tank done. I've gotten 38 miles out of this. I've been operating the bike on the VCycleNut tune, only using the street mode. So we'll see how many miles we get out of there. Alright, we're here. Gonna check out this coffee shop. It's not my usual coffee shop. This one's called Jaunt Coffee. Looks good. I've had a Hummingbird over at Zumbar so many times that I think I can tell the difference, and I think I like this coffee better, but I'm not 100% sure yet. So I'm gonna do another coffee today, and then tomorrow I'll go back to Hummingbird over at Zumbar, see if I can taste the difference. So let's go check it out. Cool art. I like this shop. Nice. The ambiance, the music, the atmosphere. I like it better here. I like it better here than at Zumbar. Zumbar's a little smaller. And I don't know, I just get the vibe there is not as welcoming, I guess you could say. I'm not sure if it's me.